Hello, welcome to ZuAI dashboard. This is the first screen that the user sees once they open the app. In this particular account, I've already selected the board and the class, which is CBSE board and class 7th, and also subjects. So whatever subjects which I have marked favorites, which I have selected, comes up here on top first part of the dashboard. Let's start by going into science and see what other subject bot can do. So as soon as I open science, I can see I have all these different options wherein I can get notes, I can get practice questions, or I can get an help with homework, explanation to anything in the book, or have flashcards generated for me in real time, or a unique this or that game as well. So I'll start with one of the most popular one, which is Quiz Me Practice Questions. As soon as I click on it, it asks me for the chapters. So let's select nutrition in plants. I can continue. I'll select 5 questions for now. And yeah, it started giving me one. I can just select any of the option. It will tell me whether it's incorrect or correct. An interesting thing is the response is catered to each and every options. So it's not like if I select the second one or if I select the third one, the response is same. The response is created according to what you have selected. It will tell you why the one you have selected is incorrect and why the correct one is the correct, and so on. Okay, so let's move on to the second uh, thing. Let's go with help with homework. So it is simple. You can just put in whatever questions that you have, and it will simply reply within the curriculum. So I'll do one thing is you can put in questions. You can click a photo, or you can just say it out. I'll click a photo for now. So something I've written on the paper. I'll just click on use photo. I'll crop it a bit to the relevant part, and done. So it understood what I wrote and then typed it out in the text box. Now I can just click on the arrow button, and yeah, now it's telling me about the whole digestive system, like right from mouth to esophagus to everything else which is in my book, and only the content which up to the content which is in my book, along with the whole diagram of digestive system, which I can you know go on and draw it in class as well. So that's it about the help with homework and quiz me thing. Let's try out one more thing, which is flashcards. As soon as I click on flashcards, I get it'll ask me for the chapters. I'll select let's say again let's go with nutrition animal 10 flashcards. Now, since this is not a fairly new account, so it doesn't have a lot of data about me. So what it will do, it will create a new flashcard for me in real time. So it will take some time for it to generate it. Okay, looks like it generated it. So animal nutrition is this. If I know it, I can just click on, I can swipe it right. If I don't know it, I can swipe it left, and accordingly my stats get saved. And I can just come back anytime in order to continue with the same flashcard. So yeah, that's about it for the flashcard. And then this or that is study notes. Now I can go back and tell you about the other things which are there in the app. The second thing is the ZuAI League, which is a unique league which every day a user can do a league on one particular chapter and subject predefined by us. Every user has to do that particular chapter's quiz, and based on that, their scores get calculated in. So it's sort of a unique gamified way to make it fun and interesting for you to try out and quiz different chapter every day. Then there's literary board where they can go and talk to any of the literary character which they like. Then there's a lot of English helpers. Again, according to the school curriculum, I have essay writing bot to help me with notices, diary entries, story writing, and so on. And then there's a list of coming soon bots, which would be live pretty soon. And yeah, so that's about it for ZuAI 1.5. We are constantly evolving, we are constantly updating every second week, and there are a lot of changes to come. But goodbye for now.